Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Benin. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Benin, a country in West Africa, is primarily driven by agriculture, fishing, forestry, mining, the manufacturing of various plant products, as well as finance and trade. Forex trading offers traders in Benin the opportunity to invest in the world's largest liquid market easily through the use of a large selection of global online brokers, who offer their services to traders from this country. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Benin and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a list of trustworthy brokers who accept Beninese traders. So, in this video, we will be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Benin. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is RoboForex. RoboForex Group was founded in 2009, with its headquarters located in Cyprus. With over 800,000 active traders, 12,000 market instruments, and 8 different asset types, RoboForex offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, ETFs, commodities, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, R and C Trader platforms, as well as RoboForex's terminals for mobile traders, which are supported on iOS, Android, and Windows operating systems. Provided accounts are featured on Prime, ECN, Rtrader, ProCent, and ProStandard accounts, with up to 36 currency pairs, a variety of tradable market instruments, lower minimum deposits, and more, with fixed spread accounts available on FXTM, FXTandard, ProCent, and ProStandard accounts. RoboForex also provides their very own educational panels, which features Forex analysis and forecasts, beginner introductions to getting started with trading, a range of video tutorials, trading tools, as well as an economic calendar if you are looking to expand your education with RoboForex. Coming in at number 4, we have XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in over 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CYSEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM Ultra Low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. At number 3 on our list is IQ Option. IQ Option, a broker developed under the IQ Option Europe company, was founded in 2013, contains a CY/SEC license with permission to provide its financial services within the European Economic Area Zone, with several other licenses from other EU local jurisdictions. IQ Option specializes and offers services in binary options, stocks, shares, currencies, and ETF trading. Featured Platform is available on IQ Option's Ultimate Investment Platform, which is supported on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Demo, Standard and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 90 different types of underlying assets, 24/7 customer support services, access to their free mobile application, and more. IQ Option also allows traders to take part in their monthly online trading tournaments, which is an added bonus if you are feeling competitive. IQ Option also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a variety of trading tutorial videos, news, analytics, their very own trading blog and research center, and more, if you are looking to expand your education with IQ Option. Coming in at number 2, we have Alpari International. Alpari International is the business name of Xfinity Limited and is regulated and licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius. Alpari International specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Forex Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of tradable market instruments, and more. Alpari also provides their very own Beginner's Guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, such as guides in commodity and precious metal trading, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. And at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Benin, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN 0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of helpful ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FXTM. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Benin on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.